Hi, welcome to the Flower Tower Garden. My name's Mike and I'm going to show you today how to make up a flower tower from one of our flower tower products. Available on www.10minutegardener.co.uk, but you'll see that at the bottom of the video. So when you order and you receive your flower tower, they'll come in a package that looks pretty much like that, flat packed. Now don't worry, it actually does build into a tower that's a little over 3 foot. It'll come flat packed like this, and what you'll get is a flat pack outer, you'll get a base, and then you get a series of tubes which I'll show you how to assemble in a second. So the first thing you do is you unwrap your outer and you turn it into a cylinder like that. So you roll it up into a cylinder, and then what you want to do is you want to use these clips. They're called butterfly clips. To push them together like that. And what you do is you push that all the way up and all the way down the bottom, just like the video shows. So the series of tubes, they come colour coded. So the first one you put on is your white one. That's got a really small hole in it, and then your blue. That hole in the blue is a little bit bigger. Then we go to the green. That's slightly bigger than the blue one. Then we push on the red one, which you can see, it's got you probably can't see, but it's got a bigger hole, and the black one, which is the biggest hole of all. And then you top it off, and this gives you access to the tube when it's full of water. So you push those in, make sure they're strong, and then what you do is you fit it into this plumber's fit in the base, which is just here. And that goes in there, and then it really gets pushed in hard, just like that. Now I'm going to show you how to plant them up. First thing you want to do actually is probably get yourself a handful of gravel. Stick it down the bottom there, just for a little bit of drainage. Now I'm going to put a pair of gloves on because it can be a little bit messy. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually take a little bit of kitchen roll. We're just going to stuff it in the top there to stop any soil from going down inside the tower. So we now got a prep tower ready to be planted up. Now what am I planting today? So what I'm going to plant in today is mixed colour Busy Lizzies. Now I've just been out and bought these from the local garden centre. So there's 9 in a pack. They've got quite reasonably priced. So they're easy to plant, but what you want to do is, next to me I've got a tub of water. You want to soak them as much as you possibly can in the tub of water, so they are sodden, so the roots are sodden before you plant them. Okay, so there's one that I prepared earlier on. Now it's very simple to plant up. What you do is you take handfuls of compost, just common or garden potting compost, and you fill up the base just like that. Now important thing, it needs to be, especially the base needs to be strong, so you need a tamping stick. Now what you do is you put the tamping stick down the side and you push down all of the compost to make it solid. So then that's really solid at the base there, which is quite important, because if the base hasn't tamped down properly and strong, you'll get pockets of loose earth. Now what will happen is that will make crinkles at the bottom of your tower, and it may cause your tower to lean slightly. So you don't want that. You want a nice straight tower. Then what we do is we take our Busy Lizzies, so we're empty those out of the pack there, and break them up and squeeze, just squeeze to make a nice round root ball, and then we stick them in. Now you'll notice here that these holes can expand. so you can put some various sizes of root balls in there. So squeeze and then insert the root ball. And the next one is squeeze, insert the root ball, and you do that all the way around the tower. All the way around the tower. Okay, and then when 5 are in there, then of course what you do is you take some more handfuls of soil, you put them in, and voila, and you gradually build up to the next layer, and you get your tamping stick, and you stick your tamping stick down, and you tamp down soil so it's nice and strong, nice and firm, all the way around. There you are. And then you're ready for your next. Don't forget, squeeze the ball, push the ball in. Okay, so that's how you build it up. Very, very quickly shown you there. Now, what you want to do is finish off the tower. So you make 3 small holes in the top here, and then you'll take your plants, and then you just plant them as you would do in a normal pot. So just 3. There you go. 3 on the top there. 1, 2, and then here's the 3rd one. There you go, and then don't forget to take your bung out, and that's your completed flower tower. Now what you want to do, you'll see as you put in, you've spilt some of the compost all over the plant. So we don't want to burn the plant, so what we'll do is we'll shake those off very much like this, very, very quickly, and then what we'll do, just give it a hose down afterwards, and then give it a nice drop of water, and that will be your completed flower tower. Thanks for watching.